Have you ever wondered why Antarctica remains the world's least explored continent despite its vast expanse? Welcome to the journey towards unraveling the enigma that is Antarctica. This icy landmass, positioned at the Earth's southernmost point, is an intriguing spectacle. It's the coldest, the windiest, and the driest continent, so inhospitable that it's almost completely uninhabited by humans. Antarctica is a titan in size, spanning across an area larger than Europe and Australia combined. Yet, despite its massive scale, it remains shrouded in mystery. Why, you ask? Well, that's because it's almost entirely draped in a blanket of ice. This ice sheet, which is miles deep in some places, holds about 70% of the world's fresh water. But beneath this icy facade, Antarctica holds countless secrets, waiting to be discovered. It's a world within a world, a place of stark beauty and harsh realities. Now that we have a general understanding of Antarctica, let's delve deeper into its icy mysteries. Can you imagine living in a place where the temperature rarely ever rises above freezing? Welcome to Antarctica. This vast, icy wilderness is home to some of the harshest conditions on Earth. Temperatures here can plunge to around -89 degrees Celsius in winter, making it the coldest place on our planet. Not only is Antarctica incredibly cold, but it's also incredibly dry. Despite being covered in ice, it's technically a desert, receiving less than 20 centimeters of precipitation annually in the form of snow. And let's not forget the winds. Antarctica is constantly buffeted by strong winds that can reach speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour, adding to the chill factor and making the temperature feel even colder than it actually is. These extreme conditions make life in Antarctica a serious challenge. But, believe it or not, some creatures have managed to adapt to this freezing environment. As we can see, the climate here is far from hospitable, but what about wildlife? Can anything survive in such extreme conditions? Despite its harsh climate, Antarctica is home to a fascinating array of wildlife. Let's embark on a journey to meet some of the unique creatures that thrive in this icy wonderland. Our first stop is with the regal emperor penguin, the largest of its kind. Emperors have a unique survival strategy, huddling together in large groups to share warmth during the coldest months of the year. Their diet consists primarily of fish and squid, which they dive deep into the icy waters to catch. Next, we dive beneath the ice to encounter the Antarctic krill. These tiny crustaceans are a cornerstone of the Antarctic ecosystem, serving as a vital food source for many marine species. Despite their small size, their collective weight is estimated to be more than the weight of all humans on Earth. We surface again to meet the Weddell seal, a true Antarctic native. These seals have an amazing ability to hold their breath for up to 80 minutes and dive to depths of over 2,000 feet. They often create breathing holes in the ice with their strong teeth. Each of these animals has developed unique adaptations to survive and thrive in the harsh Antarctic conditions. They've perfected the art of living on the edge, defying the odds in one of the world's most extreme environments. These creatures' resilience in the face of such harsh conditions is truly remarkable. But what does the future hold for Antarctica? As remote and inhospitable as it might seem, Antarctica is not immune to the effects of global changes. This icy continent, home to some of the most unique ecosystems on our planet, is facing a future fraught with uncertainty. Climate change, the invisible nemesis, is taking a toll on Antarctica. The rising temperatures are causing the ice to melt at an alarming rate. This isn't just about losing a chunk of ice, it's about the ripple effect that follows. The melting ice contributes to rising sea levels, which poses a significant threat to coastal cities worldwide. But the impact isn't limited to the human world alone. The unique wildlife of Antarctica is also feeling the heat. The loss of ice means the loss of habitat for creatures like the emperor penguin and the Weddell seal. These species are tightly bound to the ice, and their survival hangs in the balance as their home melts away. The future of Antarctica is not all doom and gloom, though. There's hope. As a global community, we have the power to slow down the rate of change. By cutting down our carbon emissions, reducing our ecological footprint, and supporting conservation efforts, we can help preserve this unique ecosystem for future generations. The future of Antarctica lies in our hands. We have the power to protect this fascinating continent and its incredible wildlife. Let's not forget that when we protect Antarctica, we're also protecting our own future.